Nice rainbow. Probably about 15. Got another one in this hole. Look at this jumper. So another one about 15. Maybe 16. Wow, this one's even bigger. I'll bet you that one's 16. $15, $16. I'm letting him go too. He's a nice fish. Catch him another day. Another decent one. It's about, that was 15 also. He's going back. I don't feel like carrying them. I don't keep them unless they're over 18. Another nice rainbow, probably about 14. He's a jumper. We'll be letting him go. He's too small to keep for me. He's probably maybe 15. Yeah, he's a little bigger than 14. I'd say he's 15. He's an easy let go. Number 5 today. Another nice rainbow. I'd say he's 14. I'm gonna let him go too. Try this little hole here. You should get some here under this rock. We're at the defunct railroad trestle. See what we got here. Oh, got one. Little one. About a foot. Oh well, he'll go back. Caught a few nice fish out of this hole in the past. Let's see what we can do here. They get under this big rock here. There we go. Got a decent one. Probably 15, 16. We'll let him go. Oh, he swallowed it. Oh well. See you, buddy. You'll be all right. Whoops. Nice set of holes coming up here. See if we can get one out of this hole. Yep, we got one. There he is. Another 15, 16-inch trout. Yeah, we'll let him go too. They don't make cricks nicer than this. I'm gonna try this hole here. Another nice rainbow. I'd say 15. Well, I'm going to finally tell everybody what I use for bait. Ancient Chinese secret. Shrimp. Take one of them 2-inch shrimps, cut it in 4 pieces, put it in a prescription bottle, throw it in the freezer. That's the shrimp you eat. The cooked shrimp works a lot better than the raw shrimp. For some reason, the trout love it. I think it has to do because it smells, it stinks. If you ever go to a restaurant and peel and eat shrimp, you know how your hands stink for hours, even after you wash them. So, you guys want to try something, you'll never go back once you use shrimp.